Hey guys, as you can see, we are gonna be playing a game because I know in this quarantine you guys do not want to be, you guys do not want to be bored, and please comment because we are here for you. We are here for you. Yes, on our other videos we talk a lot of English, but we usually talk a lot of Spanish in our family, so yeah. So I'll show them what we're going to be playing. We're going to play this fish game. Don't worry, Mom's doing her exercise. She's not going to notice. So yeah, guys, this is a brand new game. We got it. Yeah, it's hers. She got it for her birthday, her quarantine birthday. So we had like people come by and pass her presents with her mask on. It was really sad seeing that my sister couldn't have a birthday party. She was waiting for this last year, and I'm so sad I couldn't see her be happy. Okay, let's turn on the game. And please subscribe. We only have 5 subscribers. It really helps our channel right now at this point. So please subscribe and like the video. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Who's gonna win the most fishies? Oh, then no, she already has one. And damn, it's not a bad word, guys.
Déjame lang.
¡Hey, Michelle, tu caña!
Ay, sí. ¿Cómo no?
Michelle, no se puede agarrar nada. So yeah, big shout out to all my friends and all the subscribers. So,
Shout out. Que le dan una donita.
Yeah, so shout outs to Evelyn Listana. And shout outs to Daniela. That works in the gym. I mean, my friend that we play in the gym with.
Marcela.
Yeah, my friend. And shout out to all you guys that are part of the family right now at this really rare point of this COVID-19. And thank you guys. You remember, we're all here to support you at this bad time. And I think I'm winning right now. So after this, remember our video Pie Face Michelle? I think we still have the Pie Face thing, so we're gonna go ahead and play with you guys. If we have it.
Si lo tenemos, lo vamos a hacer. Si no lo tenemos, lo vamos a comprar. Y abre tu boca.
If we don't have it, we're gonna buy one, and you guys could play with us, like at home. And we're gonna be the 5 secret word. Michelle, secret word. Secret word. Okay, you guys have to comment down below the secret word on the comments, and like with your nail or your knuckles. So Michelle. So the first secret word, there's gonna be 5, is fish. Let's keep playing. Michelle won already, I think. Let's count our fishies. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you guys could count them, please count them. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fishies.
4, 5,
Sorry guys, if not,
6.
Tengo
6. 7. Tengo 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. Monse ganó.
I won. Okay. So now, do you want to play one more game?
Sí.
And then show them what we would, and show them another thing. Guys, I have a tablet. I have a computer too, but I can't use it because the screen's
No working.
Yeah, Yeah, like the little thingy, like right there. Yeah, the one I'm covering you guys with. It is not working. And I can't even do TikToks. I can only watch. I'm trying to go with this pink. Open your mouth. Oh, sorry, guys. Yay! She got one. I have only one. She has two. Okay. I want this one. Hey, I got that one. Sorry, guys. I'm so interested in the plane. But remember, guys, we are here.
Ay, son un jueguetito.
Yeah, we're here for you guys. We're here for you. Yeah, you can fish like that.
Es que se mueve el palo. ¡Se cayó la cosa!
Ya estaba así, te dije. ¿Este tenía cosa?
¿Sí? Papi lo... Ah, no. Voy a traer otro.
Okay. Ah, wait, guys. I got tangled up in my hair with this thing. This thingy that has little... Oh, wait, you can see.
Está quemado.
Yeah.
Porque se
Yeah, it's
zafaba.
Yeah, it's hot. Wait, I just realized I only have one clip of this. Oh, wait. 3, 2, go. So yeah, please comment down below. Here goes another secret word. Pizza. Yeah, we're gonna order pizza, I think. So yeah, that's the second secret word. There's gonna be 5 secret words. The first one was fish. The second one was pizza.
Y luego donas.
And yeah, and the,
Se están cayendo los niños.
Michelle, I like your hair a lot. Michelle, do you like?
Like.